Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can move the Add to Cart button to the top in Woocommerce Wordpress. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Appearance and then click on Theme File Editor. A new page will appear where you can edit your theme files. Next, from the right side, open the Functions PHP file. Scroll down to the bottom and paste a small custom code that changes the position of the Add to Cart button. The code will remove the default Add to Cart placement and then re-add it to the top of the product summary section. After pasting the code, click Update File. If you don't want to use code, you can also use a page builder plugin like Elementor or a Woocommerce Hook Manager plugin where you can drag and drop elements and set the Add to Cart button to display at the top. Finally, check your product pages to confirm everything looks correct. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.